So now I'm going to show you a pallasite, and this particular one comes from Siberia, from Russia, Siberia in Russia. It's the Krasnojarsk Pallasite Meteorite. I hope my pronunciation is acceptable. And it was found in 1749. Here's the original label. And pallasite is again one of those mixed meteorites. We have a silicate face and we have a metal face, and here the silicates, they are largely fell out. You can just about see that up here we have some nice olivines. So there's still some there, and some of these spherical kind of areas, they almost look like bubbles, but this is actually where big olivines were residing previously, and then they fell out over the years. And this is also a material that we would think comes from the interior of one of these planetesimals, but not quite from the metal core and not quite from the mantle area, but somewhere in the transition. In the earthly kind of reference, we would call it the area around the D double prime, so somewhere in the half depth of one of these planetesimals we would assume material like this to reside. These would be available as lumps in the asteroid belt, and this is potentially material that would be quite attractive. And here we have a good, strong percentage of metal material, and we have these silicates to come with it. So I'll turn this around now. And here we see some of the larger olivines. They're surprisingly fresh. And here we see an area where olivines were previously residing. Some of them are quite weathered actually, and some of them have decayed to clay-like substances. But in other of the kind of pockets here, we still find some fresh olivine residing. Intriguingly, the specimen is quite pointy, so one has to be a little bit careful. So the metal face seems to be quite sharp in places. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.